How to block someone on Discord account. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to block someone on Discord account. Well, basically Discord is a free communication app that lets you share voice, video and text, chat with friends, game communities and developers. But if you no more want that friend to be in your Discord account and you're wondering how to block someone, then need not worry guys. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to block someone on Discord. So without any further ado, let's get into the procedure of blocking someone in Discord. In order to block someone in Discord, first of all you have to tap on Discord application first. So let's go ahead and tap on Discord. Now tap on the friend who you want to block. As I've tapped on the first one, now you will be able to see 3 dotted in the upfront. Click on there. Now you will be able to see several options such as block, report this user for abuse, remove friend, add friend nickname, copy username. Since we are blocking someone on Discord, so go ahead and tap on the first option, that is block. So this friend has already been blocked on your account. So this is how you can easily block someone on Discord account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial regarding Discord. Goodbye till then.